Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change ringtone in your phone. You have phone and you are not happy with the ringtones that has come in it. I'm going to show you how you can change and set to custom ringtone in very and the easiest step. Without wasting time, let's get started. As you see, I have my phone. What I need to do, I'm going to going to my Play Store, and after I went to Play Store, I have to search this application. So this is my Play Store. I have to type ringtone. So after typing ringtone, now you go to the search bar. You can be typing ringtone. So you're gonna be getting different applications, and once you see the applications, like you can see, I have ringtones for Android phone, Kira 20, so 2025. So now I'm gonna be clicking on it. After clicking on it, also I'm going to be, you can be even scrolling down and see how is this application. It is having 95,464 reviews, and it is having a rating of 4.7 out of 5. So this is a great thing, and this shows that this application is very useful and it has important features to the users. What I need to do now, I need to click open because I have already installed my application. If you are not yet installed it, of course you need to install it. Then I have to open it for myself because I have it. After opening, you can see this application is having different ringtones. You can see they are giving me ringtones to be looking from. As you can see, as of now, you see it has 152 ringtones, which is apart from hot and trending. Have 38 ringtones, 89, 93. Now you see the ringtones are categorized into different groups that you can be searching from. For instance, if you go to classical, you can see there are 105 ringtones. If you go to reggae, there are also 21 ringtones. If you go to Aram, there are also, if you go to Aram, there are 30 ringtones. So now it depends on which kind of ringtones you need. For instance, let me try opening these hot and trendings and see which one can be coming with. You can see we have uptown, we have adaptation, so we have braining lights, we have memories, we have photography, shape of you, closer. Now it's also depends on which one you need. Let me try, for instance, Rito Christmas bells. You can see now it is gonna be loading, start ringing. Also, as you can see, this ringtone is ringing. It's having now 10 seconds, some seconds, not too much. So if you like these ringtones, what you need to do is to click here and download it. So, and once you download it, you're gonna be, you can see now this application, of course, is having ads, contain ads, as you have been seeing it here. You can see at the bottom of my phone on my application, there is ad which is displaying because I'm using the free version of the application. So what you need to do, you need to click here, and also now you click a free unlock. So once you click a free unlock, you will be able to use this application when you have ads. So you can see now, if I click, you have to wait it for loading. Now once it is loaded, now you can be able to download your ringtone in your phone. So that means that also you can be able to set these ringtones in your phone, either for calls, either for alarm, either for different stuff. It all depends on what kind of ringtone you want to use and which purpose are you wanting to use the ringtone for. So you can see also you can be able to request new ringtone. For instance, let me click on this setting option. And also, let's suppose that there is a ringtone which is not existing here in this phone. You can click here and request it. Now you have to type the ringtone you need. So for instance, this and this. Now you type the email. After the email, also you have to send it to them. So you can see, if you click here, tick, now you're gonna be sending the ringtone to them. And also once you are sent the ringtone to them, that means they will be able to reach out to you also, or giving you the ringtone if it is available. or if they can be able to access it. So thank you for watching this video. This is what I prepared for you today. Also, you can be coming here and choose any kind of ringtone you want and also be able to unlock it. So I didn't also show you how you can be unlocking it if you want to be purchasing this application. There are also both possible, the both ways which are possible. Now you can be unlocking it by also purchasing a premium account, and also it's very simple. What you need to do is to be able to pay a certain amount of money, either subscribe monthly, either subscribe you can either subscribe monthly, you can either subscribe weekly. Now let me try to download it again and also show you remove ads. So now if you see here, you can see if we go for weekly, you can have 1.99. if we go for annually, you have 9.99 now per month. Now if we go for lifetime, we can pay 29.50 for now. You can be canceling also. You can be canceling anytime if you need. So now you can be able to unlock everything here. Ringtone, training and music, they are gonna be uploading music, animal sound, wallpapers, or future features. Now you can be able to remove ads and also be able to do everything without being disturbed with ads. So thank you for watching. Remember to like this video, share this with your friends, and also turn notification bell button so as you always get notified when you upload a new video here at No Max TV.